Alright guys, you're going to need some flour, cornmeal, salt, pepper, paprika, lemon pepper, and sesame seed oil. One cracked egg without the shell. One heavy tablespoon of yogurt, and stir this all together to form a batter, like so. Grab your piece of tilapia, make sure you coat it on both sides, heavily coated on both sides. And we're gonna fry this on the stove in any type of oil you prefer until it's done. Grab your tortilla, add cocktail sauce, chopped bell pepper, tomatoes, and red onions, because they make the flavor wow, and cilantro. Your fried tilapia, beautiful, beautiful. Take a couple of pieces, apply it in there. Get your tortilla, make sure you have everything packed together. Carefully roll it up. And we're gonna bake this quickly. If you have an air fryer, put it in there for like 5 minutes. And comes out brown and crispy, like so. And there you have it, guys. A tortilla wrap. Can't go wrong. But also, these are hot, so be careful not to burn your tongue. That just looks gorgeous. So try it and let us know what you think. And thanks for watching Food Tastes Good. Till next video, guys. Bye-bye.